There are currently 29 police training institutions located in different parts of Nigeria. Their mandate is to groom aspiring and existing officers on how to adequately discharge their duties within the confines of the law. But the major issue is that these training institutions lack the legal and operational framework streamlining the police training in tandem with international best practices.
While humbly calling on the support of the distinguished members of these hallowed chambers for the expeditious passage of this bill, it is our strong belief that the passage of this bill will engender a new era of modernized training and retraining of personnel of the Nigeria Police Force and other agencies that will also greatly impact on our service delivery as we strive towards the attainment of our given mandate.
Meanwhile, both the chairman, House Committee on Police Affairs, Bello Kumo, and his Senate counterpart, Halli Rujika, are sure of speedy passage of the bills before the end of the 9th Assembly.
You are all aware that from time immemorial, our pioneer schools in the police and colleges have been graduating students, but without a legislation. I think it is right time, as we are moving forward, to enhance, develop, and come up with reforms.
We already have private senators and members bill that is similar to this. So that is why this is the beauty of the legislature. This is a bicameral legislature. The House of Representatives and the Senate are discharging the same function.
Charity Tanku, ITV News.